Welcome my friends, today an incredible video self-propelled sprayers in agriculture. In modern agriculture, the use of self-propelled sprayers has become increasingly popular due to their efficiency and effectiveness in applying pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. These machines are capable of covering large areas of farmland quickly and accurately. In this video, we'll explore the different types of self-propelled sprayers available on the market, their features and benefits, and how they are used in farming operations. Number 1. John Deere R4150i. The John Deere R4150i is a self-propelled sprayer designed for agricultural use. It is part of John Deere's R4009 series of sprayers, which are designed to provide farmers with precise and efficient application of crop protection products and fertilizers. The R4150i sprayer is powered by a 6.8-liter John Deere PowerTech PSS engine that delivers up to 240 horsepower. It features a hydrostatic transmission with 2-speed ranges and an electronic 4-wheel drive system that provides excellent traction in a variety of field conditions. The sprayer has a 5,000-liter tank capacity and a spraying width of up to 36 meters. It also features John Deere's power spray system, which uses a hydraulically driving centrifugal pump to deliver a constant flow of liquid to the spray nozzle. The power spray system also features an automatic section control system that automatically turns off individual sections of the sprayer when they are not needed, which can help to reduce waste and improve efficiency. The R4150i sprayer is equipped with a Green Star 3 2630 display, which provides the operator with real-time information about the sprayer's performance and location. It also features John Deere's Auto Track Guidance System, which uses GPS technology to help the operator navigate through the field with precision. The John Deere R4150i is a powerful and efficient self-propelled sprayer that is designed to provide farmers with precise and reliable crop protection and fertilizer application. Its advanced features and technologies make it a valuable tool for modern agriculture, helping farmers to improve yields and reduce waste. Number 2. Apache AS1050. The Apache sprayer's AS1050 is a self-propelled sprayer designed for agriculture use. It is part of Apache Sprayers AS series of sprayers, which are designed to provide farmers with precise and efficient application of crop protection products and fertilizers. The AS1050 sprayer is powered by a Ingenious Tire 4F engine that delivers up to 225 horsepower. It features a hydrostatic transmission with 2-speed wrenches and a mechanical 4-wheel drive system that provides excellent traction in a variety of field conditions. The sprayer has a 3,785-liter tank capacity and a spraying width of up to 36 meters. It also features the precision boom system, which uses a hydraulically driven centrifugal pump to deliver a constant flow of liquid to the spray nozzles. The precision boom system also features automatic section control, which automatically turns off individual sections of the sprayer when they are not needed, reducing waste and improving efficiency. The AS1050 sprayer is equipped with a Raven Viper 4 Plus control system, which provides the operator with real-time information about the sprayer's performance and location. To improve productivity and convenience, operators can now perform reams, agitate, and other field station functions right from the cab. It also features auto boom height control, auto boom section control, and auto steer guidance. Overall, the Apache Sprayers AS1050 is a powerful and efficient self-propelled sprayer. Number 3. Fendt Rotator 900 series. The Fendt Rotator 900 series is known for its high performance and advanced technology that helps farmers achieve precise and efficient application of crop protection and fertilizer products. These sprayers are manufactured by AGCO, a global leader in agricultural equipment. The Rotator 900 series includes 4 models: the RG930, the RG935, RG940, and RG950. Their models are differentiated based on their engine horsepower, tank capacity, and boom width. The Rotator 900 series is powered by an AGCO power engine that delivers up to 335 horsepower. The hydrostatic transmission and mechanical 4-wheel drive system provide excellent traction and maneuverability in a variety of field conditions. The sprayer is equipped with a cap that is designed for operator comfort and features an intuitive control panel. The sprayer also features a premium sound system, air conditioning, and a comfortable seat for long days in the field. Tank capacities for the Rotator 900 series range from 3,785 to 6,814 liters. The sprayers have boom widths ranging from 24 to 40 meters depending on the model. The booms are designed to be durable and precise, with an automatic boom height control system that maintains the boom height above the crop canopy. The Rotator 900 series is also equipped with an advanced technology such as AG control system, which allows the operator to monitor and adjust the sprayer's application rate and pressure. The sprayers also feature the Viper 4 Plus control system, which provides real-time information about the sprayer's performance and location. The Viper 4 Plus system also includes automatic section control, which turns off individual sections of the sprayer when they are not needed, reducing waste and improving efficiency. The Fendt Rotator 900 series is a line of powerful and efficient self-propelled sprayers that are designed to provide farmers with precise and reliable crop protection and fertilizer application. The advanced technology and design elements make the Rotator 900 series a valuable tool for modern agriculture. In conclusion, each manufacturer offers a range of advanced technologies and features designed to improve the efficiency and precision of crop protection and fertilizer application. Ultimately, the best choice for the farmer will depend on specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and we hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great farming tips and insights.